Hi, my name's Sam Illingworth. I am an associate professor in academic practice at Edinburgh Napier University and also the founder and editor of the Consilience Science and Poetry Journal. And I'd just like to say happy 20th birthday to UC. And I've just got a little present, which is a poem, not my words, thankfully, but the words of the wonderful Albert Goldbach. And this poem is just called The Sciences Sing a Lullaby. Physics says, go to sleep. Of course you're tired. Every atom in you has been dancing the shimmy in silver shoes non-stop from mitosis to now. Quit tapping your feet. They'll dance inside themselves without you. Go to sleep. Geology says it will be all right. Slow inch by inch, America is giving itself to the ocean. Go to sleep. Let darkness lap at your sides, give darkness an inch, you aren't alone. All of the continents used to be one body, you aren't alone. Go to sleep. Astronomy says the sun will rise tomorrow. Zoology says on rainbow fish and lithe gazelle. Psychology says, but first it has to be night, so biology says the body clocks are stopped all over town, and history says, here are the blankets, layer on layer, down and down. So happy birthday with the gift of a poem. Have a wonderful celebration. Thank you for all that you do, and congratulations.